Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started with Power BI, a powerful business analytics tool that transforms raw data into insightful reports and dashboards. Step 1. Download and install Power BI Desktop. Head over to the Power BI website and download Power BI Desktop for free. Install the software by following the instructions. Step 2. Connect to your data. Open Power BI Desktop, and in the Home tab, click Get Data. Choose the source of your data like Excel, SQL, or Web, and click Connect. Load the data into Power BI to start building reports. Step 3. Prepare and transform data. In the Power Query Editor, clean and transform your data by removing duplicates, filtering out unnecessary rows, or creating new columns using formulas. Ensure your data is organized and ready for analysis. Step 4. Create relationships between tables. If you're working with multiple datasets, go to the Modeling tab and create relationships between tables by dragging and dropping fields. Step 5. Start creating visualizations. Use the fields from your data to create charts, graphs, and tables. Power BI offers various visualizations like bar charts, line graphs, maps, and more. Step 6. Format your visuals. Customize your visuals by adjusting colors, fonts, and labels. Use filters and slicers to make your visuals interactive. Step 7. Create reports and dashboards. Arrange your visuals into a report and add multiple pages if needed. Reports can tell a complete data story using different visuals. Step 8. Publish your report. Once your report is ready, click Publish to share it via the Power BI service or embed it into websites. Step 9. Access reports on Power BI Mobile. Download the Power BI mobile app to view and interact with your reports on the go. This guide should help you get started in Power BI, turning your raw data into actionable insights.